Nothing derails a DIY project faster than a flimsy staple gun that jams at the worst possible moment. In this video, we're putting the top staple guns to the test, evaluating power, durability, precision, and ease of use to help you tackle upholstery, insulation, and craft tasks with confidence. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a weekend warrior, you'll find the perfect tool to streamline your workflow and elevate your craftsmanship. Stick around to find your ideal match. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Mr. Penn Light-Duty Staple Gun, the best budget staple gun. Need a reliable staple gun that won't break the bank? Meet the Mr. Penn Light-Duty Staple Gun. Ideal for crafts and light projects, this tool shines where heavier models falter. When tackling paper or fabric crafts, this staple gun makes quick work of your tasks. Weighing less than its counterparts, it remains comfortable to use even during extended sessions. You won't find yourself struggling with hand fatigue here. Loading it with D-shaped 5 and 16-inch length staples is straightforward. The included box of 2,000 staples means you can tackle several projects before needing replacements. While it lacks an anti-jam mechanism, the easy access to remove blocks allows for quick fixes, keeping your workflow smooth. Compact design helps in tight spaces, making it a breeze to store. It might not hold many staples at once, but this won't be a concern for most casual projects. Versatility shines through as it staples into softwoods and cardboard effortlessly, proving itself a valuable addition to your toolbox. What I appreciate most about the Mr. Penn is its balance of efficiency and affordability. It stands out among its peers without inflating your expenses. On the downside, its capacity may restrict larger projects. However, this keeps it lightweight and easy to handle, catering to craft enthusiasts rather than full-scale renovations. For anyone seeking a budget-friendly staple gun, Mr. Penn offers both performance and ease of use. At number 4, we have Dewalt Heavy-Duty Electric 5-in-1 Multi-Tacker, the best electric staple gun. Power meets versatility with the Dewalt Heavy-Duty Electric 5-in-1 Multi-Tacker. This electric staple gun stands out among similar models thanks to its ability to handle different fastener sizes and styles, including T50 staples and brad nails. Whether you're tackling woodworking projects or DIY repairs, this tool fits the bill perfectly. One of its standout features is the comfortable rubber grip. It makes extended use enjoyable and minimizes fatigue during prolonged tasks. A safety on and off switch adds an extra layer of security, preventing accidental firing, an important consideration for both novices and seasoned users. Value shines through with this multi-tacker. It serves multiple functions, eliminating the need for separate tools. A built-in wire guide makes stapling electrical wires straightforward, saving time and ensuring neatness. This feature will particularly resonate with anyone tackling wiring jobs. In testing, jam issues are minimal. While it lacks a dedicated jam release mechanism, short brad access makes clearing any potential blockage easy with pliers. This unique design minimizes downtime during projects. What could improve? While the multi-tacker is great, its lack of a jam release might cause inconvenience for some users. However, the straightforward magazine access effectively mitigates this concern. The Dewalt Heavy-Duty Electric 5-in-1 Multi-Tacker combines power, flexibility, and comfort in a single package. Still searching for the perfect staple gun? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Porter Cable US 58 1/4 inch Staple Gun, the best staple gun runner-up. Need a reliable staple gun for upholstery work? Check out the Porter Cable US 58. Weighing just 1.8 pounds, this lightweight tool is easy to maneuver, making it perfect for a range of projects. Its compact design works well in tight spaces thanks to a handy 1-inch nose extension. You can tackle DIY furniture fixes without breaking a sweat. Its 185 staple capacity magazine means fewer reloads during your tasks. With a maximum air pressure of 120 psi, this pneumatic stapler delivers serious power for demanding applications. The rubber-coated handle enhances your grip, ensuring comfort during prolonged use. It stands out among competitors for its ease of use, even for those less experienced. What I truly appreciate is how versatile this staple gun can be. It excels in household projects, but may not be ideal for heavy construction tasks. Additionally, while it doesn't include a carrying case, its lightweight design makes it easy to store. Although the price sits on the higher end compared to similar models, the features justify the investment. Performance never falters, making it a top choice for upholstery work. For anyone seeking a high-quality staple gun, the Porter Cable US58 proves to be the best runner-up. Its thoughtful design and user-friendly features set it apart. At number 2, we have Dewalt DWHT 80276, the best lightweight staple gun. Need a staple gun that won't weigh you down? The Dewalt DWHT 80276 is the answer. This extremely lightweight staple gun combines functionality with innovative design, making it perfect for various tasks, from crafting to home repairs. First off, its dual fastening action sets it apart. You switch between two modes with ease, allowing for quick adaptations to different materials. Whether you're working with fabrics or wooden surfaces, this tool handles it all. Portability stands out as another major pro. You can easily carry it around for both indoor and outdoor projects. When you need to move fast, this compact design becomes a game changer. Tackling multiple projects without worrying about fatigue is a delight. One feature I truly admire is the modern material components. They not only enhance durability, but also ensure a comfortable grip during extended use. We've all struggled with tools that get slippery. This staple gun stays secure in hand even while working on demanding tasks. While some may wish for a bit more power for heavy-duty jobs, it's essential to view this model for what it offers: excellent versatility in a lightweight form. It's ideal for everyday DIYers and those who appreciate convenience. I find the Dewalt DWHT 80276 to be an impressive staple gun that caters well to various needs. Its thoughtful design and effective performance make it a strong contender in the market. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Stanley Sharpshooter plus staple and nail gun, the best staple gun overall. Need a reliable staple gun? Stanley Sharpshooter plus staple and nail gun offers an impressive experience for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. This tool shines in its lightweight design, allowing users to handle it comfortably for extended periods. The robust metal body enhances durability, making it a reliable choice for various projects. One feature that truly stands out is its overall ease of use. You'll appreciate how quick it gets the job done without frequent jams. Users often report that they can effortlessly tackle tasks, making it a significant advantage over other models. You might find that it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces, which is perfect for detailed projects. While many customers sing praises about its capabilities, some have mentioned that it occasionally lacks the power they'd expect. However, this means it's gentler on hands, minimizing the chance of pinching. Adjusting the staple depth can sometimes yield inconsistent results, but that encourages a better understanding of how to optimize this tool for different materials. What I love most about this product is its ability to blend user-friendly design with sturdy construction. It feels reassuringly solid, which is something you won't often find in lightweight models. If you're looking for a staple gun that balances performance with comfort, this could be your go-to option. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best staple guns. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which staple gun you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.